Where's laundry? In this video, you are going to join me as I prepare for a laundry run and learn how and why I outsource my laundry and whether you should outsource your laundry too. When I had been married and living with my son and his mother under the same roof, we had a lot of domestic appliances. A washing machine, a dryer, a dishwasher, an espresso machine, and a full-sized oven. Then when I started over on my own in a small housing unit in a new location, I didn't have all of these amenities. I made my espresso the old school way, using a macchinetta on a butane camping stove. I washed my dishes by hand in the kitchen sink. I did my laundry in the yard. I shared a washing machine with the other tenant, as well as a rotary outdoor umbrella drying rack for drying clothes in the open air. I didn't have a dryer. It would take a day or two for the clothes to fully dry because it was often in the shade and it wasn't useful in the rain. Then when I moved again to my current living space, I had to make a choice between getting a dishwasher or getting a washing machine. There wasn't enough space to install a washing machine and a dryer, and not enough space for a washing machine and a dishwasher either. The previous tenant had a washing machine and would hang her clothes to dry in the corridor outside the apartment. It caused an annoyance to the neighbors. So I chose to get only a dishwasher, thinking I can outsource laundry, but I can't outsource washing dishes. After washing dishes in the sink for a couple of years, a dishwasher has been a huge relief. This is how I do my laundry now. I move the dirty laundry from the laundry basket to my dirty laundry delivery bag and carry it downstairs on my back. I mount it on my motorcycle and return home to wear my protective riding gear. I like this delivery bag because it has lots of straps and D-rings to mount it on my motorcycle and comfortable straps to carry it on my back. It comes in black for style and has integrated reflectors for safety. I can even lock the zipper for security. After getting ready for the ride, I take the elevator down and ride the motorcycle to the laundromat. In the next day or two, my laundry will be clean and dry and neatly folded inside a big white plastic bag. The laundry manager will send me a message when the laundry is ready. And then I will come to pick it up and take it home. It usually fits inside the Nerva's top case. So I'm bringing this cart to take the laundry. Oops, I forgot that I put an empty bottle there. Turn it on its back. Place it on a flat surface. Then you fold the sleeves inside. Okay. Now you fold it in half, almost all the way to the top. Now you fold it in half again. And again. Now you have a nice rectangle and you fold it into thirds. 1, 2. Ta-da!